Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn Maths chapter 6 multiplication. Multiplication means finding the product. See here 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 5 3 ja 15. 7 8 ja 56. 6 3 ja 18. Let us now learn about parts of multiplication. 15. Multiplicand which is multiplied by 2, that is called multiplier. The product is 30. 5 2 ja 10. 1 borrow, 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3. 30 is the product. Product means answer. Let us discuss each in detail. Let us multiply 32 into 4, which is multiplication. See here. Multiply with the multiplier. First, 4 2 ja 8. 4 3 ja 12. The ones, then the tens. 4 2 ja 8. 4 3 ja 12. So the product of 32 into 4 is 128. Multiply 235 into 6. In first, here hundreds are there. How we have to multiply? First step, 5 6 are 30. Write 0 down and carry over 3. You have to write 3 upon 3. Okay, that is the carry over. Next, 3 into 6. 3 6 are 18. We have to, for that product, we have to add this carry over 3. 18 plus 3 is equal to 21. Write 1 down and carry over 2 upon 2. I have circled it already. Next, 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 2 6 are 12. The product is 12. 2 6 are 12. We are already having carry over 2. Then product plus 2. Product means 12. 12 plus 2 is equal 14. Write 4 in 100 place and 1 in thousands place. The total, what will 1410. 10. Okay. The product is 1410. Let's do it. Multiply the following, carry over where required. Before slide we have already learned about carry over. See here. 12 into 4 means ones in 2, twos place, tens in 1. Okay. 12 into 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. Write here 8 in ones place. 4 1 ja 4 in tens place. Total product is 48. Here we are not taking any carry over. Next, 141 into 5. We have to multiply with 5. 5 1 ja 5. 4 5 ja 20. 5 1 ja 5. Plus 2, we have to add. 5 plus 2 how much? 7. The product is 705. Find the product. Same as before. 381 into 4. See here. 4 1s are 4. 8 4s are 32. Carry 3 up. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 how much? 13, 14, 15. Always. The product is 1, 5, 2, 4. Next one. This is in thousands place. Okay, four numbers, we are having four numbers, so we have to write ones, tens, hundred and thousands place. Okay, multiplier with 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6 in tens place, 3 3 ja 9 in hundred place, 3 2 ja 6 in thousands place. So total product is 6963. Find the product. Before this slide, we have learned about product. So here also we have to find the product. Let us start, children. 4 into 2 into 1 is equal 8. How? 4 2 ja 8. 8 into 1. You already know the one table. 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2. Like 4, 1 into 8, how much? 8. Here, 5 2 ja 10. 10 5 ja 50. Properties of multiplication. Property. Now we are learning about property 1. 3 into 5 is equal 15. 3 5 ja 15. 5 3 ja 15. Product of numbers remains the same even if the order of multiplication is changed. See here, 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Multiplication order is changed, but the product is same. Property 2. When two or more numbers are multiplied. When we multiply two or more numbers, see here in brackets, 3 into 2. 3 2 ja 6. Up 6 is there. Write as down, same as this. 6 6 ja 36. See, example 2. 3 into in brackets 2 into 6. In brackets see. 6 2 ja 12. Write 3 as down, same. 3 into 12. How much? 36. 12 3 ja 36. Or here order change. 3 into 6. Otherwise we can write 3 into 2 also. Into 6 we can write like that also. Okay children. 3 into 6 into 2. In brackets 3 into 6 is there. 6 3 ja 18. 2 as it is. 18 into 2, how much? See here, I have already done. 8 2 ja 16. 1 carry over. 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3. Write 3 down. Total product is 36. Property 3. When any number is multiplied by 1, product is number itself. Means, example, 3 into 1 is equal 3. 3 1 ja 3. 4 1 ja 4. 16 1 ja 16. 100 into 1, 100. Property 4. When any number is multiplied by 0, then the product is 0. These are the properties, children. 3 into 0 is equal always 0. 192 into 0, how much? 0. 56 into 0, how much? 1000 into 0, how much? 0. Property 5. Distributive property over addition and subtraction. A into, in brackets, B plus C. Here into is the multiplication plus addition. Here let us see example. 5 into, in brackets, 7 plus 3. 5 as it is into, we have to add 7 plus 3, 10. 5 into 10, how much? We are multiplying now. The product is 50. 5 10 ja 50. Next, A into B plus A into C. Same property. This is called distributive property. You can write right side and you can write left side. This is the formula. We can write A into brackets B plus C bracket close. We can write A into B plus brackets A into C. We can write like this also. See, the product will be remain same. See here, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 7 plus A is equal to 5 into C is equal to how much? 3. 5 7 ja 35. We are multiplying 5 into 7. 5 7 ja 35 plus as it is. 5 3 ja 15. 35 plus 15 how much children? 5 5 10. 3 plus 1 4. 4 1 carry over plus 1. How much? 4 plus 1 5. The product is 50. So the product is same. In distributive property, we can write the right side formula and left side formula we can use. Let's do it. Let us learn how to fill the blanks. 3 into 5 into 1. First one. We have to fill the missing number. Okay. 3 into dash into 5. In that what remains? 3 is there already, 5 is there. Remaining 1 we have to fill. 5 3 is 15. Into 1 how much? 15. 3 into 1 3. 3 5 is 15. Same. Both are same. See next one. 3 into 0. We have already learned the properties of multiplication. If 0 comes, the product is always 0. Here's next C. C1 example. See, we have already learned in properties. Whenever if it is multiplied with 1, the product will be multiplicand. Okay, the answer is 34. D1. This is called distribute property. Just now we have learned, children, 6 into 2 in brackets it is into 5 is equal. We can write 6 into in brackets 2 into 5. We have to fill in the blanks. Okay, 6 already is there. Remaining two numbers 2 and 5. 6 2 ja 12. 12 5 ja. Second, put the proper symbols. Plus, minus, multiplication. Okay, you have to put the proper symbol. First one, 6. 2 is there. Answer is, the product is 8. You have to fill plus. Plus means 6 plus 2. 6, 7, 8. Answer is same. Both are equal now. Next, B1. 3, 1. In between what we have to fill? Proper symbol what? Into? No. Because 3 1 ja 3 we will get. We will not get the answer. When we write plus, 3 plus 1, 4. Answer is correct? No. Then 3 minus 1. We have to minus 1. From 3, we will get only 2. The correct symbol is, proper symbol is minus. C1, 8, 0. Product 0. What we have to keep? 8 plus 0 how much? 8. 8 minus 0, 8. 8 into 0, 0. The product is 0. Write as multiplication and then find the product. Let us see. A1. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 number is there. We have to multiply. How many 2s are there? Into 5. 5 2 ja 10. Next, B1. 6 plus 6. How many times 6 are there? We are having 2 times. 6 constant product into 2. 6 2 ja 12. Product is 12. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. 3 into 10. 3 10 ja 30. 4 10 ja 40. 5 10 ja 50. When we multiply a number by 10, the product is the number followed by 1 0. 3 into 100 means 3 we have to write same and 2 zeros will get back. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay children. When 2 zeros, the product also will get 2 zeros. 3 into 1000, 3000. 3 zeros are there. When 3 zeros, the product will followed by 3 zeros. Break into factors and then find the product. We have to break it. Okay children. See, let us see the example. 5 into 30. We can write 30 as 3 into 10. 3 10 ja 30. So here we break into factors. Okay. 5 into 3 into 10. Okay. Now we'll multiply with two numbers. 5 3 ja 15. 10 as it is. 15 into 10 how much? 150. See here, 15 into 7, 0 into 5, 0, 0 into 1, 0. Down we have to write into or we can write 0, 1 5 ja 5, 1 1 ja 1. See, now let us 0 as it is, 5 as it is, 1. The product is 150. Multiplication by 2 digits. 243. We are multiplying with 32. 3 2 ja 6. In first row, see here. I have already marked with pencil. 3 2 ja 6. 4 2 ja 8. In tens place. 2 2 ja 4. In 100 place. Okay. This is the first row. And the second row, we have to multiply with second row. In tens place it is there. 3. 3 3 ja 9. 0 as it is, the 3 ja 9. We have to write in tens place, not in ones place. Okay children. 4 3 ja 12. 2 here down, 1 carry over. 3 2 ja 6. 6 how much? Plus 1. Here 1 carry is there. 6 plus 1 how much? 7. I have written here 7. Now we have to add both first row and the second row. 6 plus 0 how much? 6. 9. 8 plus 9 17. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 as it is. The product is 7776. The next example. Multiply with 12. In first row, 3 2 ja 6. 6 2 ja 12. 1 carry over. 3 2 ja 6. 6 plus 1. 1 carry is there na? 7. First row over. And the second row, 0 in 1's place. 1 3 ja 3. 1 6 ja 6. 1 3 ja 3. We have to add first row and the second row. 6 plus 0, how much? 6. 2 plus 3, how much? 5. 7 plus 6, 13. 1 carry, 3 plus 1, 4. Multiplication, word problems. See, let us learn about in detail word problems. If one box has 325 sweets, how many sweets are there in 8 such boxes? In one box, 325 sweets are there. In 8 box, how much? 8 into 325. We are multiplying with 8 because in only one box we are having 325. In such box, 1, 1, 1. Like that in 8 boxes, 8 into 325. We are multiplying with 325 into 8. 5 ja 40. 4 carry over. 8 2 ja 16. 16 plus 4 how much? 20. 2 carry over. 8 3 ja 24. 24. 2 carry over. We have to add 2. 2. 24 plus 2 how much? 25. 26. Now there are 2600 sweets in 8 boxes. Read, understand and solve. 35 students went on a trip. If each paid rupees 100, how much money was collected for the trip? This is the question. You have to solve it. How many students went on a trip? There are 35 students went on a trip. Each student, how much they paid? 100 rupees. How much money we collected from the trip? How many members? 35 students went. Okay, we have to write 35 into how much they paid? 100 rupees. 35 into 100 how much? Total product was 3500 rupees. This is also word problem. A car takes 1 hour to travel 58 kilometers. How much distance will it cover in 5 hours? See here. Car takes 1 hour to travel. How much? 58 kilometers. In 1 hour, they travel 58 kilometers. Distance covered is 5 hours. 5 hours, how much distance we have to find? First, in 1 hour, 58 kilometers, write 58. We want 5 hours into 5. 5 ja 40. 4 carry over. 5 5 ja 25. 25 plus 4 how much children? 29. 290 kilometers. Distance covered in 5 hours is 290 kilometers. Okay children, we will send you a PDF also. Solve the remaining problems in the textbook. See you in the next class.